Hi everyone. Having spent 5 years in the corporate world and spending long hours on the desk, I know exactly how it feels and how it can take a toll on your body, especially your posture. So today I'm going to be sharing some very simple stretches with you that you can practice while at your desk, which will help you to release the tension from the body and also improve your overall posture.